Good morning, good morning. Hey, Couponing with D family. I am back with another video. This is insert previews today. As you can see, my favorite friend FedEx delivered yesterday. We only have one insert this week. It is the save insert. These are the inserts for the week of 9/5. First thing we have is Lindor chocolates, $1.50 off 2 products and 50 cents off 2 Lindor sticks. Next, we have vitamins, Centrum, $4 off any 30 count of the new targeted supplements. We have a $4 off Centrum gummies, 50 count or larger. Here goes some fetch values and maybe Ibotta. We have Axe, $1.50 off any one of their products. Next, we have the Vero Gusto. The Vero Gusto. It's pasta sauce. It's $3 off one and it's made by Barilla. We also have some First Aid Band-Aids, 75 cents off one Band-Aid brand adhesive bandages and the Band-Aid brand of First Aid product or Neosporin. We have $1 off of 3 Mr. T's. This looks like the pre-refrigerated pasta maybe. Some type of comfort food. Next, we have the $1 off 2 Dial body wash. Sorry about that, I'm in the car. Or bar soaps. We also have $1 off 2 Dial foaming hand washes or refills. Senecot, $3 off 1 tablets. And $4 off 1 dietary supplement. We have $1 off 1 Any Drake's Family. Those are like Little Debbie cakes. Pet lovers, we have Rachel Ray. We have free dog treats when you buy one of the Nutrish dog food bags or free cat treats when you buy the cat food bags. We also have $3 off any one Nutrish dry cat food, $3 off one Nutrish dog food, and then we have $3 off one Nutrish Big Life dry dog food. Let me tell y'all, Santiago loves this stuff in chicken and salmon and turkey. He don't really care for that beef. Advertisements on the next page. Over here we have some honey mustard by Golden Blossom, $1 off 1. Advertisements at the bottom. Next page, advertisements, the same as with the following page. Again, more advertisements. There's not much in here, but whatever you can, shop for the deals that are coupon ready. Guess we gotta make it do what we gotta do. This is an Ibotta special. Moderna, $8 off of 1, $6 off of 1, $5 off of 1 Compeed, and $4 off of 1. That is all I have for you. It's not many inserts, just the one this week. Last week I got Smart Source and P&G. All right, that's all I have for you guys. See you next time.